Hi everyone, I'm Lex and welcome to Sandals and Steel-Toes. Today has been a long day. I've gotten a lot done. Most I've gotten done outside in probably like a month. It's been a hard month. September was the month of sickness and exhaustion, and new month, it's October, trying to get everything kind of settled and cleaned up before the winter comes, which, you know, it'll be here before we know it. The last thing I'm trying to get to today is planting my irises. A few weeks ago I saw a video from Jess at Roots and Refuge Farm. She had ordered irises from Schreiners Garden Center, and I actually had never thought of ordering irises online before. I have a couple varieties of iris, some flag iris, a purple and a yellow, and like a bearded iris that's a dark purple that I got from my mom. But it never really had occurred to me before that video of buying iris bulbs over the internet. So I was like, oh, that's really awesome, and I looked on the website and there were so many just incredible colors of iris that I have never seen before. So I got some different colors of blue and orange, black, some purple, pink, white. So I have like a wide array. I got 15 different kinds. And so it came yesterday, and I'm gonna go through it and unpack them and figure out where I'm gonna put them. I have decided I'm gonna plant a bunch of them up front here in my like perennial garden area up by the house and driveway. I don't know that I'll want them there forever, but I need to get them in the ground, and that's the easiest spot to put them in right now. It's the most cleaned and ready for planting. So that's where they're gonna go. And then I'll be able to move them, you know, next fall or a couple seasons from now, once they've gotten time to get established and grow and multiply a little bit. And then hopefully within a year or two I'll be ready to actually plant them somewhere for their permanent home. So they come packed in the box. Shocking, right? And got this straw-like stuff on top. Okay. So here is this one. Isn't that just lovely? American classic, tall bearded. It's such a pretty color. This is just, I love blue. I love blue flowers. I don't have very many of them. Oh! But there's that one. There weren't too many varieties left when I had went on the website. They were having a sale, which is since over, but so this is going to be a black iris, black seeded. Medsey Prince. I don't remember what that is, but I can put a picture of it in here. The Chinook Winds. Vermouth Dangerous Mood. I like that one. August Treat. Now, I admittedly got this because I thought maybe it blooms in August. I haven't looked it up yet, but I will look it up, and if it does bloom in August, that will be a super treat. Oh, it gives a little tip on how to do it. Plants or rhizome tops are exposed and roots are spread out, facing downward in the soil. Yeah. So we'll plant them like this, kind of, with the soil line being about right here. And so this is exposed. Iris can't be planted too deep. I don't like it. Chasing Rainbows. Oh, this is a big one. Hey, look at that. gilt-edged bond. Ooh, a bonus one. And it is super bonus because it's got a little rhizome on it. But I'll keep that together for now. Ooh, what's this one? Ooh, another blue one. Devil's Lake. That is so pretty. Oh, I can't wait for these to grow next spring. Ooh, this is a tiny little thing. Oh my gosh. Wow. Icon, miniature dwarf bearded. This is the tiniest little rhizome. I have to make sure I don't lose that. News flash. Adoragon. Oh, here's another tiny one. Graph. Oh, isn't that pretty? That's like yellow and blue. That is going to be so pretty. And last, open ocean. Here is my stack of iris, and it's getting dark, so we need to plant these quickly. I am mostly recording this so I remember where everything is planted, because I know that I'm going to forget the names of all of these iris, and I'm not going to remember which is which. And so when people ask me in the future, oh, what's the name of that iris? I will have no idea. But I can reference this video and be able to do it. So we're going to show you where everything is before I plant it. I've got 1, 2, I have 10 that are going over here in this garden up by my house, and then I'm going to put the other ones in the perennial garden over here. Okay, up first, here is the Devil's Lake. I'm going to step back for reference. So Devil's Lake. This one is the Frimose. Behind that is the Dangerous Mood. Okay, back up front here, right next to my tiny rhododendron, is the Chinook Winds. Oh, I have 2 daylilies up here that I just got from Schneider's also. I planted them about a week ago when they came in. That's called Bee Dance for Thomas 2. So we'll just reference that as well. They're already planted in there. We have Chasing Rainbows, then Black Suited. I wanted that up by the house so I could admire it from my kitchen window while I wash dishes. I like to look at my garden. And then here we have American Classic, News Flash. Okay. Over here is the Medici Prince. So that's between my other rhododendron and my almond bush. This is really pretty. It blooms first thing like in the spring and April. So that's nice pink. And then over on this side of it is the gilt-edged bond. And that's what I have over here for now. So I'm going to go ahead and dig these in real quick, because it is going to be dark here in about 20 minutes. And then before I forget too, I have another daylily that I got. The Bluegrass Memories for the Blue Parrot. That's right up here by the walkway. I only made my holes too deep, so I'm gonna bring a lot of the soil back up so that way these are planted right up at the soil line. And we are gonna have all day rain tomorrow, so I don't need to water tonight. Yeah, way too big of a hole. I don't know what I was thinking. I just had my shovel and I was just like, I'm gonna dig a deep hole for these giant iris rhizomes I'm getting. And I am actually gonna leave the tags on these for right now. Obviously, I'm not gonna keep them on forever because I don't want anything to prohibit the growth, but it at least helps me see them so they don't get stepped on. So I've got, a dog and kids who walk through my flower gardens, and maybe this will help protect them. That's all. I mean, they don't go in very deep. Kind of stick them up at the top. And then the rain that we're gonna get tomorrow is gonna really help these settle in. I mean, it's gonna rain like all day tomorrow, and then many days next week it's gonna rain, so these will get well watered and I don't have to do it. So the roots need to be kind of spread out. This is hard to do with one hand. I have to set this down and dig this out a little bit. There's more root on this one than the others. This one's called Chasing Rainbows, and I keep thinking of the song Chasing Waterfalls from TLC. Don't go chasing rainbows. Gotta plant your iris and remember what it is called. Couple more to go. I'm gonna knock them out real quick. My light is fading very quickly about this right now. So it's getting dark. All right, they are tucked in. 5 more. We're gonna put them in over here. And I'm thinking in this area is a safe place to put them. So this one is the August treat. Open ocean. Miniature dwarf bearded. Standard dwarf bearded. And last is the Adaragon. And they are all along the front here. Okay, so the iris are planted and it is dark now. I'm gonna head in for the night because I have been outside all day and I am tired and I need to eat something. So please stay tuned to the channel, subscribe. I'll keep you updated on how the irises do next spring. I am so excited to see all 15 of those varieties bloom, plus the ones I already had. It is gonna be spectacular, so you're not gonna wanna miss that. Thanks for watching and do something you love today. Talk to you next time. Bye.